Hello.
It's raining.
It's pouring.
The old man
It's snoring.
he went to bed
And he bumped his head
and couldn't get up.
in the mornings. In the fine morn.
So, is it raining where you are?
Shh.
Probably not.
No.
Just Ontario.
We're not getting rained on.
No, we're in a gazebo.
A what?
A gazebo.
Whatever that is.
Gazebo. Yeah.
I find it funny that you even know what that is.
It's this. Look up.
It's a roof.
And we don't have a green screen.
Raise the roof. Da, 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 da.
So, what are you doing today?
Are you being weird?
Are you under a gazebo?
Are you?
Really? That'd be exciting.
Oh my god, it's birds in the rain.
That's pretty stupid. Get soaked.
They're stupid.
We have a birdhouse. Well, not us. Neighbors.
Yep.
Soap.
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 Sup.
Sup.
The roof.
Soapy sup.
Soapy sup.
Soapy sup. Soapy. Suppy suppy soap. There's a bee over there and
Soapy sup blackberry.
give me my Blackberry. It's my Jonas phone.
Oh yeah.
It's my Jonas telephone. Telephone.
Rihanna. And no, Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga and Beyonce.
I'm having a blonde moment.
You are blonde, so I guess it's relatable. I have blonde moments. I'm not even blonde. I'm not even close to blonde, actually.
Your hair's curling.
I know it curls because it's wet.
My hair's
we got wet.
like Bobby pinned it.
We got wet because it's raining.
It's raining.
It's raining.
That's why
out.
we sang it's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head. Couldn't get up in the morning. I love that song.
The grocery store. Do you have Twitter?
Dewey? Yeah, do you have Twitter? Follow us on Twitter. We haven't tweeted in like a week now. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's my LG ruler. Oh, it's
Wait.
4:32 where we are.
Yeah, it is actually.
It's my Blackberry.
Like you could text it, you're like,
I'm like, oh.
and she's all like flip, and I'm all like,
You're all like, boring.
I'm not
I'm
like boring.
Yeah.
This one's actually pretty interesting.
Not really. I'm gonna send a text message to
Me. Send a text message to me, okay?
We're gonna be like beside each other, texting each other.
Is it loud? Yes, okay. It's loud. Here we go.
I feel really slow right now.
You are slow.
I am right now because my fingers hurt. And you
She's gonna text me.
to
She's gonna text me.
video.
Oh my god. I'm such a camera hogger. Sync.
Well, after we receive this message, we have to go.
You gonna text me? You hear
Send me a
that?
message.
Did you know we were making a YouTube video? Oh, yes, I did. Damn. And
It's gonna be
send.
birdies. Wait for it, wait for it.
Oh my Jonas! Yeah, hers is lame because it has birds.
I thought that was cool. But we have to go.
It sounds like a
so
water fountain.
we have to go, so bye.
Bye, losers. No, just kidding.
Bye, YouTube viewers.